gentlemen, thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Ever wondered if you could lift out a roof for a Tesla Model Y by yourself? Well, you can if you're careful. So we're going to do this from the back seat here. We've got two of our WRD base handling cups here, and this, being honest, this does take a bit of upper body strength. So if you don't have it, I don't recommend it. But put your elbows about like so, and then just lift straight up, keep it vertical. And you can get the roof glass out on a Model Y. Setting it would be very similar, though again, unless you really have the upper body strength, I would not recommend solo setting one of these. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.